I think beauty in itself is authenticity and just really owning who you are and living up to your name. Over the last year, it's been a lot more natural makeup, natural looks, even just more casual outfits. The acne journey, I guess, officially started in high school. I've always been really insecure about my skin in general just because I have really pink skin, super rosy, so even as a little kid, like, if the attention was on me, I'm blushing. I've tried multiple prescriptions, multiple antibiotics, diets, and nothing ever really seems to work. I was a dancer, and so having to be on stage with bright lights and, constantly worrying about that blemish on my face and whether or not my foundation was caking up around it really, it wasn't the best time. I was thinking about Instagram filters and story filters and stuff like that try to show really blurred out skin, and even the OG YouTubers who would use all these filters and try and portray themselves as flawless, airbrushed all the time. That really got to me when I was younger because that was the expectation. I want to really embrace filter-free skin and what it looks like unedited, and just not being afraid to show your real face on camera. Embrace it, stop caring so much what people think. Does it affect them? Does it affect you? If they notice, I would just brush it off. I wish I would have worn less makeup when I had more acne, because that obviously did not help. And maybe do more research too, because when you're younger, you kind of tend to go for the pink Neutrogena and the scrubs that you think are just gonna get rid of everything, but obviously not. Societal standards are changing. Brands like Peace Out Skincare that are really embracing the insecurities and imperfections of your skin, and you put that on social for everybody to see, that's really helping younger girls, I think. Being unafraid to be yourself and be yourself unapologetically whenever, in every sense.